Hi! So I'll just be doing an unboxing of my Calvin Klein X Jungkook collaboration. So these were the merch that I had my friend Marian. Marian, thank you so much for buying this for me in Korea. So actually, I realized I didn't bring everything, but I'll just do whatever stuff that I have here right now. So, okay. So, first things first is the jacket, the leather jacket. Oh my god. So, um, this is actually the last one in the store in Korea, and she got it for me. So, it has the CKJK. Yan. Key. And at the back. So, I don't know if you can see. Medyo maano yung lighting. Ang ganda! Yeah. So, kasama pa yung hanger. So, let's try it on. Wait. So, I think per store, parang, I'm not sure, but four lang. I'm not sure. But, yeah, very limited lang yung stocks niya per store. Sorry, I'm clumsy. So, inside, so Calvin, I don't know if you, Calvin Klein Jungkook, and yeah, it has pocket inside also, and yeah, so let's try it on. Ayan siya. So this is how it looks like. Ang ganda! Yan, so that's how it looks like. Back. Yan. You see sa back. Yan. Yan, so sakay na ako ng motorcycle ni JK. Charot. I love it. I'm gonna wear this in Australia when we go sa winter. Okay, wait lang. So next is I got the hat. So a white hat and also the black hat. So ito natanggal ko na. Actually parang medyo grayish ng konti yung color niya. But nagamit ko na to sa parang greenish, parang dark green na white plain. So yan. So ito yung hindi ko pa natatanggal yung plastic pero sinuot ko na yan. Sinuot ko na siya sa Korea. Yan. So, itong white hindi ko nabubuksan. Kasi, ayoko siya madumihan. Hindi-display lang. So, dudumihan kasi ng makeup kapag yung white tape. Yung Calvin Klein ko nga na isa na madalas madumihan. So, yan. Okay. Yan yung hat. So, next is the underwear. So, yung cute lang dito. Parang meron siyang, I don't know if you can see, yung parang emoji na parang may na ewan yung smile niya. And then, saan ba nakalagay yung Calvin Klein X Jungkook. Parang wala namang nakalagay pa. Sorry, sa lang, sa tag lang. Ayan. Okay, so yan yun. Sa bra. And then, for the undies, nakabox siya. Medyo na yupi-yupi lang. Tapos, yan, CK, JK is 2026. Okay. Yan siya. Ay. And I got also the black one. Yeah. And then, sige, yan. Okay. Yan lang naman. Simple lang yung underwear. And then, so this one is the free bag. The free tote bag that you get when you buy something dun sa, I'm not sure if it is all stores yata to, but this one is from Korea. So yan. I forgot to bring yung isang shirt. I think it was it the white one or the black one? I forgot. Anyway, I'll just do another unboxing for that. But I got that one shirt, and then I forgot to bring also the, what do you call this? The free poster. So last na for the unboxing is this denim jacket. So I got the brown one. Brown color nito. I didn't get the blue denim one kasi I already bought a Calvin Klein denim jacket before, yung the one JK wore when he went to the US for promotion. So wait lang. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Ang ganda! Ang ganda niya! Oh my goodness! Ay, parang mas bet ko to kasi medyo parang magaang siya. Dahil yung denim jacket niya. So, ang bigat yung isang denim jacket niya na sinuot from US. Ito parang mas comfy siya. Isuot at dalhin. Wait lang. Ang cute din yung buttons. Calvin Klein Jungkook. Kinikilig yarn. Oh, okay. My heart. Wait lang. So, this is how it looks like when worn. Ang ganda niya. Grabe. I love it. Ang lakas maka-college vibes. Sa likod. Yan. Lakas maka-bagets. Parang college chauvinist. Wait lang. And then this is the yung signature niya. Signature ni JK. I love it. Ang ganda. Yes, may pocket din siya dito. May pocket inside, both sides. Yan. Ang ganda niya. Yan. You know, I didn't get the pants. Sana I got the pants also din. Kaya lang hirap kasi pabili lang na hindi mo sinusukat. But ito, buti na lang nagkasya pa din sa akin tong pinabili ko. So, yan. Wait lang, try ko i-close. Nahirapan ako i-close yung buttons kasi sa kuko ko. But this is how it looks like when nakasal lahat ng buttons. So, yan. Ganda, di ba? I love it. Yan. So, feeling ko, yakap-yakap ko si JK. Charot. So, that's it. Thanks for watching. Annyeong. Bye.